Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought Semolina's eggless palm cake. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. And if you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's go. For making this cake, first we take semolina. I soaked it for 2 hours. After that I drop the excess water. Then I take the sugar. I blend it properly. After that I take the milk. Then I take palm juice. Then I take raisin and cashew nut. After that I take baking powder and baking soda. Then I take vanilla. After that I take wheat flour. Then I take oil, and if necessary I give water also. For making the batter, first I give semolina. I give all the semolina. Then I give sugar. I give all the sugar. After this I will mix the sugar with the semolina. Please note, how much you take semolina, sugar will be its half. Now I give some oil. Now I mixed it properly with the mixture. Now I give some vanilla to it. After giving it, I mix the vanilla with this mixture properly. Now I give the milk to it. I give little milk. After that, I give the palms puree also. You don't give any baking powder or baking soda now. You have to give later. Now I mixed it properly with the mixture. After this I rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can see our semolina swelled very well. You can see the density of the mixture. It is very thick. Now I give the baking powder and baking soda to it. After that I mixed it properly with the mixture. Remember, you don't give the baking powder and baking soda before 30 minutes. You have to give the baking powder and baking soda before it's baked. If you give like this, the cake will be very soft. I mixed it properly with the mixture. You can see the density of the mixture. You have to make like thick. Now I take a ball and grease it with the oil. Like this way you have to grease all the corner of the ball. You have to grease the ball to its corner also. Like this you have to grease all the corner. After greasing it properly, I will give the wheat flour. Friends, you can see I don't give the wheat flour to the mixture. I take the wheat flour to give to the ball now. Because if you give the wheat flour to the ball, the cake didn't stuck with the ball. You can use the flour also. It is not mandatory. You can take wheat flour or flour also. I give the wheat flour all the corner of the ball like this. And you have to spread the wheat flour to all the corner of the ball like this. If you do like this, the cake will not be stuck in the tray when you baked it. After giving all the mixture, you can put it on a OTG or microwave, whatever you have. Now I take the OTG and I preheat for 20 minutes. I make the temperature to 180 degree and I heat the both side and I make it for 20 minutes. Now I give the cake tray to the OTG. Now I give the mixture to the OTG. Now I make the temperature 180 degree and both side heat and I make it for 35 minutes. Now after 15 minutes of heat, I will give the raisin and cashew nut to the cake. After 15 minutes you can see our cake swelled very well. Now I will put it down for give the raisin and cashew nut. Now I will give the raisin and cashew nut to the cake. I don't give him before it preheat because if you give that time, raisin and cashew nut will be go down. When you give them after 50 minutes, cake will be little hardy. Now you give this, it will be not go down. Now I will put it again to the OTG. I heat the OTG for 35 minutes. I baked it for 15 minutes. Now I will bake it for another 20 minutes. You can see our cake swelled very well. Now I will put it down and check it is baked or not. Now I will put it down and checked. After put it down, I will check with a stick. I take a stick and like this you have to check. You can see nothing is stuck on the stick. I check another place. Nothing is stuck on the stick. Like this you can see another 2-3 places also. So you can see our cake fully baked. Now I will cool it down for 1 hour. After 1 hour we will take a knife and separate the cake from the side of the baking tray. Like this way you have to separate. After cool it for 1 hour, it is very easy to separate the cake from the side. You can see our cake separate very well. Now I will reverse it with a plate. Now I will slap it little bit from all the side to separate the cake from the tray. Like this you have to slap it little bit from all the side. You can see our cake separate very well from the cake tray. Now I will reverse this cake with another plate. I will reverse it. So friends, our cake is ready to serve. Now I will cut a small piece of the cake from this. You can see when I cut the cake, it is so soft. You can feel it. It makes so yummy also. So friends, our today's recipe, Semolina's eggless palm cake is ready to serve. Today you will know that eggless cake can be soft. You can see our cake is very soft. You can feel it. When you eat it, you can feel it is so yummy and soft also. So friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.